Prime Minister Narendra Modi was congratulated by cabinet ministers for the successful Operation Sindoor. Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave details of the operation to cabinet colleagues. The Prime Minister said it's a proud moment for all of us, and indeed, not just for the cabinet, it's a very proud moment for the entire country.
The images on your screen reflective of the conversations that have happened, but I can tell you, remember, not just the cabinet colleagues, but the whole of country. Proud as we stand at this moment. Remember the locations that have been chosen and the images there on your screen from the Union Cabinet meeting. This discussion, Gaurav, wouldn't have been possible without the constant meetings that were happening. The precision, the short time, 25 minutes, all done.
And look at the details, the manner in which the armed forces planned this to perfection. The Prime Minister held a series of meetings with the Air Chief, the Army Chief, the Navy Chief, with the Chief of Defence Staff, with National Security Advisor, with the Raksha Mantri, with the Home Minister. And here you see images, the entire cabinet very proud of the achievements. And the Prime Minister said, proud moment for all of us. This is the first time that 9 targets, not just in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, but in Pakistan's Punjab province, in Bahawalpur and in Murid were targeted. Now, I just want you to just imagine in your minds the kind of effort that went in. Pooja, when you imagine when Balakot was targeted, 12 fighter jets were sent in and another 24 were on standby to protect the flanks and ensure that all the 12 came back safely, and they indeed did. Now, 9 places have been targeted in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir and in Pakistan's Punjab province. Imagine the kind of effort that was put in with their mid-air refuelers, with the AWACS, with the drones, with the UCAVs, ensuring that the adversary does not target you.
And Gaurav, also remember the multi-layered approach, the intelligence agencies, research analysis wing, the RAW giving out detailed locations with other agencies pitching in, of course, to identify, to ensure that these are precision targets. Remember, Pakistan will try to play a victimhood narrative to say that they have been targeted, but the fact is, the precision shows that these are terror outfits, terror areas where there was indoctrination that was being done, terror operations as well. Piyush Mishra joins me for the latest on that. Piyush, with the image on our screen,